Attention sneezers. A man in Dundee has recently tore a hole in his throat in an attempt to stop a sneeze whilst driving. Hospital scans unveiled a 2-millimeter tear. When doctors examined the man, they heard a cracking sound after touching his neck and found that he did not have control of movement. No surgery was required, but he was discharged and given painkillers. 5 weeks later, a scan showed that the tear had healed. Rupturing windpipes is extremely rare, but medics explain holding both the nose and mouth shut can dangerously amplify sneeze pressure up to 20 times. Physicians advise to let sneezes flow freely, as blocking them can also cause brain aneurysms, broken ribs, and other severe injuries.